Okay, this is stock number 9-49K. It's a June of 2007 Honda Civic LX. Got no check engine lights. 152, 965 for miles. Had it running for about 20 minutes now. I can't test the transmission really because we got a little bit of damage here. But I've had the motor running for a while, like I said. Well, I can try to bump the tranny, see if it goes. But the motor runs beautiful. Nothing wrong with it. Let's see if she'll bump. Whoop. Yeah. Transmission definitely goes forward and backwards just fine, so I'd say good drivetrain.